Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk and I'm reaching out to my student body. Yes, we are at the end of this semester. What do that mean? That means let's do a cleanup. Let's find out what all we need to do to actually clean up this semester to end it. Yes. So the first thing I want to walk through is a couple of steps that you need to do to end this semester. And I want you to pay attention to what I am saying so you will know how to end this semester. Number one, make sure you review your syllabus. Reviewing your syllabus will tell you if you missed anything. Do not miss anything. Go back and do it. Complete it. Get her done. As the cable man used to say, that's a show I used to watch. Let me move on. But anyway, you need to make sure that you complete everything. So go back and review the syllabus. Look at the end dates. Look at the dates things need to be in. And pretty much don't worry about that, because right now what counts is that you make it to that end date. And I want to say to all of you, kudos, because you have went on this journey with me, and I'm hoping that you are a better person. So back to number one, review your syllabus and make sure you dotting all of your I's and crossing the T's. Okay, the second thing, number two. Number two is simply this. Go back and do stuff that you missed. So that means that some people have actually suffered through these times. And the college believes in making sure that the students successfully complete all of their academic goals. So we want you to go back and review your lessons and complete them. This is Professor Sistrunk talking. Please go back and see what you missed and complete it. Now, it's one section that you will not get a chance to go back and complete, and that is called discussion questions. Once you miss them, you miss them. So you can't go back and do them. You needed to be in the discussion. That's like saying, I'm going to go back to the time we were in the classroom. Well, that cannot happen. So that's the only exception to this rule. You will not be able to go back and look at discussion questions. But get the work done. You have an opportunity to complete the work. So let's do it. Number three. Number three is really simple. Once you go back and you look at the work and you complete it, just send me a little email saying, hey, Professor, I went back over this assignment or that assignment, and just list them. Don't send me a bunch of emails. Just send me one email telling me all the things you went back over, so I do not miss it when I go grade. Did I say miss it? So that I do not miss when I go back and grade. So make sure you go back and look at those particular things and complete them, and then email me and say, hey, Professor, I went back, I did this. It's okay. You can do it. Number four, at the end of this video log, make sure you do the survey at the bottom. The survey will help me know what changes I need to make in my classes, and it will also help future students. What a lot of you do not know is that I actually take these surveys and modify and adjust my classes based on what you students say could be helpful to other people. Now, when you do the survey, you have to put your email address in there, because I can't give you credit for it unless I know that you actually did it. It don't tell me what you actually said on the survey. It gives me a percentage of all the people who did the survey. But what it will do is let me know that you actually completed. And once you complete the survey, just put in a discussion, hey, Professor, completed the survey. Okay? Number 5, Go back and make sure you are prepared and ready for your final exam. You know this is final week, so you need to be focused on completing your final. Go in, make sure that you do all the practice questions. If you have some, prepare yourself as much as you possibly can and complete your final like a hero would. Go into it, knock it out the park. Okay, let me stop. But successfully complete the final. Now, I set video logs on how to do the final, so you need to go search for those video logs and know exactly what you got to do to complete the final. Now, some of you are going to say, Professor, I haven't seen a video log on how to complete the final. It's the same video log on how you do the midterms. Okay, people, this is it. I want to end with this. Kudos to all of you who took the time out of your lives to complete this course so you can be successful in the future. I know a lot of you have big plans for yourself, so go for it. Do not hold back. I hope that I played a little part in your life in helping you be successful, and if I did, that's great. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I will see you hopefully in the next class.